when Jamaican reggae star Jimmy Cliff was framed and thrown into jail in Nigeria. She loves writing about health and women's issues in Africa and the African diaspora. Born James Chambers but known professionally as Jimmy Cliff, the Jamaican singer, multi-instrumentalist and actor is the only living reggae musician to hold the Order of Merit, which may be conferred upon any citizen of Jamaica or distinguished citizen of a country other than Jamaica for achievements in the field of science, the arts, literature or any other endeavor. Indeed, that is Jimmy Cliff singing about an unfortunate incident that occurred while he was in Nigeria in the 1970s. In 1974, the music legend had arrived in Nigeria for a musical concert in what was reportedly his first visit to Africa. The singer was enthralled by the scenery as at the time it was only the Beatles that had received such a rousing welcome from several thousand people at the airport. Jimmy Cliff immediately got ready to give Nigerians an amazing performance. "My first trip to Africa was Nigeria. It was a bittersweet experience," Jimmy Cliff recently recalled in an interview with Heart's Desk. "Sweet because of the thousands of people at the airport awaiting me. Good day my wonderful people, it's me the great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe. If you like this video, watch to the end and click on another video. Bless up. The bitter part of it was I got thrown in jail for no reason at all. A man came and said, 'I'm the one who was supposed to bring Jimmy Cliff to Africa.'" Jimmy Cliff said he was put in jail for 3 nights in Nigeria. The singer was freed by the courts after the suit against him was dismissed for lack of evidence. There are claims today that other top musicians like Bob Marley, Diana Ross, and Michael Jackson avoided Nigeria because of Jimmy Cliff's incident. "My first time in Nigeria was not such a good experience. But I loved his music." Reggae legend Jimmy Cliff has toured extensively, attracting fans the world over. "I really love Africa. Even before my consciousness of Africa, when I first went there I just loved the country, I just loved the feeling, I just loved the energy." Apart from Nigeria, the Jamaican star has visited other African countries including Mali, Sierra Leone, and South Africa. In the 1980s, he performed to a mixed audience in South Africa, where his songs inspired people who were fighting against apartheid.